Open the ArcGIS by clicking on your file to open or just open. ArcGIS will open in a few seconds. Click on the file from the menu bar. The following options menu will open. Select Share As. A pop-up menu will open. Select your file address. Selecting the folder option. Choose file location. Giving the name to the file. Save and then OK. Click Share. Click Yes to save your previous file, then create new mappakage. It take a while. Click OK. Your mappakage file has been created. File be ready to use.